Good morning, dear students. Happy morning. How are you? Keeping well? Okay, again, this is the high time to enjoy the aloo ka paratha. It means the arithmetic progression. Okay, I think you enjoyed my previous lectures. What I am going to take today, the sum of the AP. Let us see how to get the formula and how to find the sum. Suppose if I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot. This is the first 10 natural numbers. And now suppose we have to find the sum. A great mathematician, Dr. Gauss has given one formula that how to find the Sn. So you will write here n by 2. How many terms are there? 10. It means n by 2 into bracket n plus 1. Number of terms are n. It means 10 by 2 into bracket 10 plus 1. It means 10 by 2 means 5. This is 11. The answer is 55. Okay. So how to find the formula for the sum of the arithmetic progression? Let us see. If I am writing here Tn so called the last term, or sometimes you can call L also. So L is the last term. It means A plus n minus 1 into D. The last term of the AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So what is the formula? To find the sum, Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket A and P is first term and last term is, when the last term is given to you, then the formula to find the sum of the AP will be n upon 2. N means number of terms, A means first term and L will be the last term. If suppose the last term is given to you and if you have to find the sum of the AP and AP is given, then A first term you know, L means last term you know, number of terms you also know. It means n by 2 into bracket A means first term plus last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. It means A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the sum of n terms now? N by 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the sum of n terms. If the number of terms is given to you, then Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And if the last term is given to you, it means n by 2 into bracket A plus L. I hope this is clear to you now. What is the concept, how to find the sum? If last term is given to you, it means Sn. What is S? S stands for sum. N means number of terms. N by 2 into bracket A plus L, where L is the last term. And here n by 2 A plus n minus 1 into D, because L is equal to Tn means last term, L or you can say last term, A plus n minus 1 into D. It means A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus A becomes 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now this is the sum to find the sum of the n terms. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. I hope this is clear to you. Now see the questions. Two, 4, 6, 8 dot and 10 terms are there. Ten terms are there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many terms are there? 10 terms. It means Sn is equal to n by 2. Number of terms are 10. First you write the formula n by 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. N means number of terms are 10. So 10 by 2 into bracket 2A. What is your first term? 2. So 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into common difference. 4 minus 2 means 2. So it will be 5 into bracket 2 into 2, 4 plus 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into 2. So 5 into bracket 4 plus 9 to the 18. 18 plus 4 means 22. 22 into 5 is equal to 110. It means the sum of 10 terms is equal to 110. Okay. Now I will discuss the so many questions. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, very good. Now next question. Two, 7, 12, 2, 7, 10, dot, 10 terms. 2, 7, 12, dot, up to 10 terms. It means the number of terms are 10 and you have to find the sum. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N means number of terms are 10. Into bracket 2a. 2 into first term is 2 plus n minus 1. N means 10. Into common difference. Common difference means 7 minus 2 means 5. So 5 into bracket 2 5s are 10. 2 into 2 4 plus 10 minus 1 9. 9 into 5 45. So 5 into bracket 45 plus 4 means 49. Now you can write here 245. It means this is the sum of 10 terms because number of terms are 10. First term is 2. Common difference is 7 minus 2 means 5. And formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, n means 10. 10 upon 2 means 5. 2 into 2, first term is 2. 2 to the 4 plus 10 minus 1. Number of terms are 10. So 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into 5 means 45. And 45 plus 4 means 49. 49 into 5 means 245. I hope this is clear. Next question. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, dot, to 12 terms. To 12 terms. See, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, dot, up to 12 terms. Okay, now first see, what is your first term? The first term means a is equal to 27. Now you have to find the common difference. The common difference will be second term minus first term. Minus 33 minus, and you have to subtract minus 37. So minus 33, and when you will open the bracket, it becomes plus. It means 4. The 37 minus 33 means 4. Now, how many terms? It means number of terms n is equal to 12. Clear? N is equal to 12 number of terms. D is common difference is 4. A is equal to first term is 37. A is equal to minus 37. Be careful. A is equal to minus 37, minus 33, minus 37. The common difference will be 4 and number of terms n is equal to 12. And now you have to find the sum. Let us see how. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now tell me, number of terms are 12. 12 upon 2 into bracket 2 into a. A means first term is minus 37. Minus 37. तो a इज इक्वल टू -37 प्लस 12 minus 1 into common difference. This minus this I just got right now 4. 2 6 are 12, 6 into bracket minus 37 into 2 minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 means 11 44. 12 minus 1 means 11, 11 into 4 44. Now 6 into bracket minus 74 plus 44 means minus 30, and minus 30 into 6 means minus 180. It means the sum of this AP up to 12 terms is equal to minus 180. I hope this is clear to you. Very good. Now one more question. See, this is the question. 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10, dot 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 up to 11 terms. Now what is the first term? So a is equal to 1 by 15. First term is this. Now you have to find the common difference. So d is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is the first term. D is equal to common difference 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Okay. Now find the LCM of 12 and 15. See how? 12, 15. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now directly you can give by 2 also, no problem. 4, 1, 5. 5, 1, 1. It means what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 60. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So LCM is 60. So D is equal to 60. 12 5s are 60. 5 into 1. This you divide. 60 by 12. 12 5s are 60. 5 1s are 5. Minus 15 4s are 60. 4 1s are 4. The common difference D is equal to 1 by 60. The common difference is equal to 1 by 60. First term is A is 1 by 15. Now you have to find the sum of 11 terms. Let us see how. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n, number of terms are 11. 11 by 2, 2 into. First term is 1 by 15 plus n. N means 11 minus 1 into common difference as you got here 1 by 60. So 11 by 2 into bracket 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. 0 0 cancel. Because this is plus sign is there. 10 into 1 by 60. That is why you can cancel. So 11 by 2 into bracket 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Now tell me what will be the LCM? 15 and 6. 15 and 6. 2, 15, 3. 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Now LCM will be, LCM is 30. LCM is 30. So 15 divided, now here. LCM is 30. 15 divides 30. You will get 2. 2 into 2, 4. 6 divide 30, 5. 5 into 1 plus 5. into 11 by 2. Now it will be 11 by 2 into bracket 30, 5 plus 4, 9. Right? Now you can solve here. 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. 3 3 is 9. 15. 3 3 is 9. 10. So you can write here 11 3 is 33 upon 10 to the 20. 3 3 is 9. 3 10 is 30. 11 3 is 33. 2 10 is 20. Or you can convert into mixed fraction also. It will be 21 the 20, 13 upon 20. It means the sum of 11 terms will be 1, 13 by 20. I hope this is clear. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Good.